cubes and cuboids. A cube is a solid object with 6 square faces of equal size. This is called a cube. It has 6 faces and the faces are equal in size. A cuboid is a solid object with 6 rectangular faces. This is a cuboid. It has 6 faces and the faces are rectangular. A rectangular prism is also called cuboid, whose length is L units, width W units, and height H units. Therefore, another name for cuboid is a rectangular prism. The volume of a cuboid is given by V is equal to length times width times height. If L, W and H, that is length, width and height, are equal, the rectangular prism is called cube. Example number 1. Find the volume of the cuboid. Solution. Volume formula is length times width times height. The length here is 3, width is 2, and height is 6 centimeters. Therefore, 3 times 2 times 6 is the volume, that is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36 centimeter cube. We write here cube since we do have here centimeter times centimeter times centimeter is centimeter cube. Number 2. Find the volume of the cube. Solution. Here the length, the width and the height are equal. Therefore this one is a cube. This prism is a cube. Therefore length is 3, width is 3, height is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27 centimeter cube. Exercise number 1. Find the volume in cubic centimeter of a cube whose sides each measure 2 centimeter. That is the length, the width and the height are 2 centimeter each. Solution. Volume formula is length times width times height. That is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8 centimeter cube. Number 2. Find the volume of the solid figure given below. It is made from rectangular prisms. All dimensions are in centimeter. Here there is a solid figure. It is made from rectangular prisms. We are going to find its volume. Solution. First, find the volume of the upper rectangular prism. Let's take the volume of this upper one. Then we are going to find for the lower one. Therefore, the length here is 4. This one is 4. Here is 4. Therefore, this one, the length is 4. Volume 1 is for the upper one. Length times width times height. The length is 4. The width from this point to this point is 8. Since this one is 8, this will be 8. The height is, total height is 10, and this one is 4. 10 minus 4 is the height, which is 6 centimeter. Therefore, 4 times 8 times 6. 4 times 8 is 32 times 6 is 192 centimeter cube. Then find the volume of the lower rectangular prism. For the lower rectangular prism, its volume will be length times width times height. The length is 5 plus 4, that is 9. And the width is 8. Since this one is 8, this will be 8. The height will be 4. Volume is equal to length times width times height. Therefore, the length is 9, that is 5 plus 4. The width is 8, since this one is 8. The height is 4. After we multiply it, 9 times 8 is 72. 72 times 4 is 288 centimeter cube. Then total volume is volume 1 plus volume 2. Volume for the upper and volume for the lower. 192 plus 288 is 480 centimeter cube. Number 3. A rectangular tank 15 centimeter long and 9 centimeter wide contained some water and a stone. When the stone was taken out, the water level dropped by 2 centimeter. Find the volume of the stone. This one is the rectangular tank. Its length is 15, width is 9, and here is the height. Then after the stone is removed, the water level decreased by 2 centimeter. Therefore, from this point to this point is the volume for the stone. Solution: decrease in height of water level is 2 centimeter. Volume of the stone is only the decrease in height of water level. That is length times width times height. Length is, as we have said, it is 15. Then width is 9. And the height for the stone after the stone is removed is 2 centimeter. Then 15 times 9 times 2 is 270. That is 15 times 18 is 270 centimeter cube is the volume of the stone. Number 4. A rectangular container 10 centimeter long and 5 centimeter wide contains water to depths of 4 centimeter. When a stone of volume 200 centimeter cube is put in, the water level rises. Find the height of the new water level. Solution: increase in height of water level is equal to H. Let us say it is H, the increase in height of water. Then the volume for the stone is length times width times height increased. Volume for the stone is 200, length is 10, width is 5 for the container, and height increased is H. Then 10 times 5 is 50 times H is 50H, 50H, and 200, we write it, divide both sides by 50, then 200 divide 50 is 4 centimeter. The height increased is 4 centimeter. The height of the new level after the stone is put in is 4 centimeter.